Hello, it's Paul here. I want to give you a quick introduction to the Zoho ONE Experience 2021, and more importantly, the private forum for Zoho tagged partners with me, and anybody who wants to sign up for the Patreon program if you can't tag me as your partner. So Zoho ONE, you may or may not know, is a fleet of 40 integrated productivity apps to run your entire organization. If you come to zonetrial.com, it shows you all about it, tells you all about it. And of course, it's not hard to set up, but there's so many different variables and so many things you can do. So what we've got from signing up for Zoho, using Zoho ONE and everything, is the Zoho ONE Experience, which is at zoneexp.com. But if you come here to the Zoho ONE Q&A forum, this is a designated private forum for any Zoho users that have tagged my company, Happy Me Limited, as their Zoho official partner, or if alternatively, if you are not able to tag me as your partner, if you tag me as your partner, I get paid a commission off of Zoho, and they will take it, they will send it to me directly. You will never notice, your pricing will not go up. You will not pay paid more with Zoho. I will just get paid a commission for part of your sign up with Zoho. If you can't do that, then there is a Patreon option where you can sign up for Patreon. It's $10 a month, because it's about $8 per user with Zoho. That's how much I get paid off Zoho per user. So the Patreon's $10 a month, because there's some bank charges there, which makes it a little bit more, but it's $10 a month. You can sign up and join the Patreon. That will get you to this private forum where you log in. I will send you an invite for Welcome to Zoho ONE Experience. An account is required, of course. Please ask an existing member, or it will actually be an admin invite. Once in the forum, you will see we're going to have lots of different sections for different Zoho apps. We're going to have a step-by-step over the next week. I'm going to start building up a Zoho ONE step-by-step guide, sign up, activating applications, integrating applications. It's going to be really hard because there's so many, but there is a basic setup that I'm going to do. Any questions on that you can ask in there, and you can also you'll see there's the questions section where you can fire in any questions about any app, and I will try my best to get you an answer. So everybody's welcome. It's just for Zoho partners and Patreon members, though. Anybody else asking, saying, oh, your training's free? My training remains free at paulnicholson.com. You can go to paulnicholson.com. You do not need to sign up, and all the Zoho training's on there as well. So you can start free training on paulnicholson.com. Jump in, Zoho CRM training is there. You can go to YouTube. All training on YouTube is free. You can ask your questions on YouTube, and I will answer every question and comment as I do. But as I said, the Zoho ONE Experience is just for people wanting to get the most out of Zoho ONE, because it's a huge platform and it can be very overwhelming. So we're going to create a community where we all help each other get the most out of Zoho ONE and get flying with it and really use it to its full potential. So any questions, come over to zonetrial.com or go to zoneexp.com. I'll add that in the bottom all the way through. Drop me a message and we'll get you sorted. So it's pretty much, it's free if you're a Zoho user that can tag me. It's $10 a month if you can't and you want to become a Patreon, and you'll pay that the first of every month. So if it's not, depending how far out from the first of the month it is, you will get a free trial of my forum. You won't be charged till the first of the month, and then it's $10 a month and you can cancel that any time. But any questions, you know where I am. Thanks for watching. See you all soon.